Hello everyone, my name is Shivnath and today my topic is map work. I am a student of Lotus Petal Foundation of Pratishthan Learning Center. Now before doing map work, we have to understand our state location. Now I show you. Here you can see this is Jammu and Kashmir, this is Punjab, this is Himachal Pradesh, this is Haryana and this is New Delhi. Okay. This is Rajasthan, this is Gujarat, this is Maharashtra, this is Karnataka, this is Kerala, this is Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Sikkim, part of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and last one Meghalaya. Now we have to understand our golden quadrilateral and mark it. First in Delhi, we have to mark here. This is Delhi. And second one in West Bengal. Where is West Bengal? You can see this is West Bengal and here is Kolkata. Okay. Now in south part there is Chennai. Okay. We have to mark here. In Maharashtra, Mumbai. Here we have to mark. This is Mumbai. Now in Gujarat there is Ahmedabad. Now show you how it look like. This is Delhi, this is Kolkata, this is Chennai, this is Mumbai and this is Ahmedabad. I hope you all can understand. Now corridor of India. First we have to go north to south, okay, and then west to east. In north part, Jammu and Kashmir, here is Uri and here is Srinagar, and south part, here is Kanyakumari. In west part, here is Porbandar. In east part, here is Silchar. Okay. Now I show you the figure. You all can understand by figure. This is Uri, this is Srinagar, and this is Kanyakumari. In west part, Porbandar. This is Silchar. Now through this table we can understand easily. Here example of some state, crops grown in this state, airports and ports. In Punjab, crops grown are wheat and rice. In Kerala, coconut, coffee. In Maharashtra, wheat and rice. In Tamil Nadu, bajra and rice. Now, airport. In Punjab, Raja Sansi. In Kerala, Nidamacheri. In Maharashtra, Chhatrapati Shivaji. In Tamil Nadu, Chennai. In Punjab, there is no any ports. In Kerala, there is port Kochi. In Maharashtra, Mumbai and Jawaharlal Nehru. In Maharashtra, there are two ports. In Tamil Nadu, Chennai and Tuticorin. In Tamil Nadu, also have two ports. Thank you.